to use a Wise card in the USA in 2023 and beyond. Follow this step-by-step guide. First, you need to create a Wise account if you do not already have one. This can be done on the Wise website or through the mobile app. Once you have an account, you can order a Wise debit card, which is a borderless card that allows you to spend money from your account in multiple currencies. After receiving your card, activated in the Wise app, you will need to provide some identification and verify your address to comply with security regulations. Once activated, you can start using your card to make purchases online or in store, and to withdraw cash from ATMs. When using your Wise card in the USA, you can spend in US dollars without incurring high conversion fees. Wise uses the mid-market rate for currency conversion, which is typically better than the rates offered by banks. You can also hold and manage multiple currencies in your Wise account, including US dollars. To get the best out of your Wise card, make sure to load it with funds before using it. You can do this by transferring money from your bank account or by receiving payments from others. You can also set up direct debit to automatically load funds onto your card. When making purchases or withdrawing cash, use the local currency to avoid conversion fees. For example, if you are in the USA, use US dollars to make purchases. Additionally, be aware of any ATM fees, which can range from 1 to 2% of the withdrawal amount. In terms of security, Wise cards are protected by chip technology and require a PIN to make purchases or withdraw cash. You can also freeze your card in the app if it is lost or stolen, and order a replacement card. Overall, using a Wise card in the USA is a convenient and cost-effective way to make purchases and manage your money. By following these steps and best practices, you can get the most out of your Wise card and enjoy a hassle-free experience.